Hello everybody, this is Stonewall, and as you can probably tell from the title, we're working on the Titan today. So I have been doing a little bit of the no attachment kills, so we're gonna probably finish those up today and try to unlock the reactive camo. Now these are not really much of a challenge, as it's just getting kills with the weapon. So I'm at 21 of my 50 no attachments. I've already got all my doubles within that time, and 5 revenges. So I'm going to try to do this. Now, real quick, I'll show you the Black Knight. I think I've already shown this, but not really gone over it much since they changed the signature weapons. I think that might be where I brought it up. So I'm going to throw on this. You have to throw on the reactive camo in order to earn it. And they basically all look like this to start with. This kind of weird gray with, I don't know if that's coppery colored lines through it, but you've got to throw that on to be able to unlock that camo. The other thing I'm going to be working on a little bit, whenever I get the opportunity, is the boot camp calling card. So I've noticed in 3 prestiges, almost 3.5 prestiges, I've only got 5 kills while prone. So hopefully I can finish that up pretty easily. This one will take a little bit more time. I'm not sure how many I need, but kill an enemy while climbing over something, not the easiest to do with the Titan, probably easier with an SMG or something like that. And then underwater kills. So I've gotten several kills on people who are in the water, but not both of us underwater. And I'm assuming that's what it needs, or at least just me underwater. I'm not sure which way that needs to go. So if you notice me laying down some in this gameplay, then that's probably why. I'm trying to finish up those prone kills. I just need 5, so it shouldn't take too long. So to do this, I'm going to jump in TDM 100 and should be able to do this relatively quickly. Maybe 2 matches. Maybe 2 matches. Alright, let's go.
We pay per kill. Leave no survivors.
Oh boy, this one's already in progress. Should have had him, but he got away. This is not a best place to jump in. We're almost halfway through this match. Whoa, he was boosted and using the medics, so not too much of a surprise, I guess.
Net call. Hostile Hellstorm inbound.
We'll stay in here for a moment.
Hostile UAV circling. Hostile strike team inbound.
There's one. Behind us. And there's another one back here somewhere. Got him. Nice. Too bad I don't need long shots for this one. Get out of here. Reload. Got somebody coming through the middle. Yeah. That was rough.
Hostile TAC deploy beacon active.
Oh, the squad. I'm gonna just try to avoid those guys when I can. Got a trailer. Oh, so close. They were using the Titan as well.
This'll knacker someone's day.
Guess not. Somebody nearby over here.
Enemy UAV above. Don't let them take you
What?
down.
How?
Hostile CUAV detected.
That's some pretty good range on that slam.
Building barricade.
Okay, that's awesome. I haven't actually been using acoustic sensor much until lately. I did some in like maybe my first Prestige, and then I just mainly been using stem shot and some of those. But it's actually really useful whenever they got a counter UAV. I've not noticed that before.
Be advised. Hostile TAC deploy beacon active.
Yeah, they've definitely got the win here.
Enemy UAV above.
Alright, so I feel like I did my part, kind of. 13 and 7. I was, well, except for one guy that went even down there, 3 and 3. I was the only guy to go positive. So, we'll see. Oh, somebody else is, either they picked up my gun or they're working on the challenge. That seems to be the case whenever I start using that. That's funny. Yeah, looky there. Somebody else is running the Titan. Of course, they're running some attachments on it, but they're trying to get the reactive camo as well. So that's actually pretty cool.
Team deathmatch.
Alright, well, let's do this.
All contacts hostile.
I think I did that last video. Let's go somewhere else this time.
We're winning this.
In that front corner. I don't actually need headshots, but
We lost the advantage. Be advised, hostile TAC deploy beacon active. We have the advantage.
hey, there's one of my bloodthirsties.
Be advised, hostile TAC deploy beacon active. We're behind.
Somebody right by that Jeep. See if I can get a prone kill.
UAV standing by.
Trying to get their attention.
Hostile UAV circling.
Should have been watching my ammo on that. Oh, somebody coming this way. Oh, through there. Nice. UAV up. Spawn looking at a guy. Not lovely. Wow. How did they kill me without me hitting them once?
Hostile UAV circling.
Your UAV has been destroyed.
Hostile CUAV detected.
Oh, both directions. Ooh. Wow.
Hostile TAC deploy beacon online.
Nice work, teammate. So I'm gonna slip over here. Hostile in the corner.
Beacon online.
Go over there. I'm not running stem shot at the moment, which because I'm running acoustic sensor. So I have to wait a little bit longer between heals. Oh, somebody right here. Come on. There we go. I get a reload in. another.
UAV standing by.
Again, waiting on heals. There we go. UAV. Almost out of ammo.
Hellstorm deployed.
Be advised, hostile attack deploy
There we
beacon
go.
active.
I've only got 4 shots left. Like the sandwich me. Ammo. That was rough, but I got my Hellstorm, so let me call that in real quick. I've had pretty good luck with the Hellstorm recently. Of course now, I'm
Negative
just gonna get a hit
CIA.
marker.
We've lost control.
Wow, that was rough. With an SMG through the wall.
We've pulled ahead. Be advised, hostile attack deploy beacon active.
That one. That one. What? How? Is that not the people I flashed? There we go.
Hostile attack deploy beacon online.
Around. See how good of a driver I am.
Hostile
Destroyed
forces
attack
have
deploy
destroyed
beacon.
your RCXD.
Got one. Of course, I died in the process, but I think I couldn't find the staircase or the ladder. Oh yes.
Close, make it official.
Oh wow, nice. Of course, I'm realizing I haven't been getting those prone kills.
Hostile UAV circling.
Oh, nice. I say nice. Kind of got robbed on that one.
AO pacified. Government forces take the win.
Alright, so 29 and 10, top of the leaderboard. Not too bad. Of course, there's me dying. Wait, is there a third person? I think there are 3 people in this lobby that are working on the same challenge. And I rarely see those camos normally. That's funny. Or maybe it's just that I rarely notice those camos normally. There's rank 31 at the SDM. Haven't played with the snipers a whole lot outside of the Paladin. And there is the Mother of Pearl camo. So let me do this. So I'm going to back out of this lobby real quick and set up a class with attachments. Alright, there we go. So I did take off my second perk 3 left dead silence on, and I put on the dual zoom, quick draw, and extended mags. So hopefully that'll help me get kills a little bit easier in this. I'm almost to the point where I can do all the attachments. I just need to level up one more time in order to get Primary Gunfighter 3. So here we go. I guess this is round 2.5 since that first match was about halfway done. Let's do it.
Team deathmatch.
Alright. Right at the beginning, they automatically drafted me Seraph. So let's see what we can do here. Not very good. Left side.
Hostile planting mesh mine.
Come on, make it there. Oh, nice.
Sensor dart away.
Yeah, there's somebody still in the vents. Oh, wow. I needed maybe one more shot on target. You know what? Let's take this other flank this time. Hard to tell where they're at exactly. What? No. With an SMG at that range? Okay. I guess they have been getting buffs. And that is a pretty accurate one. Oh, actually hit him. That's the amazing thing. I guess he didn't see me. Not sure how, but anyways. Oh, hello. I knew he was out there somewhere. How are we doing? 10 and 6. And the rest of my team is negative. Ooh, I almost blew myself up. I hear footsteps.
Sensor going live.
One. He's down there. Oh yeah, the mesh mine's gone. Again, same guy. I'm definitely gonna have to give that GKS another go. Oh, nice. Left side. That barricade was a nice distraction. I think they're running dead silence, so they caught me off guard a little bit. whole team is there. So I'm gonna go somewhere else. Hey. Oh, I think that's all my... Yeah, that's my revenge kills. So that's nice.
AR system engaged. Nomad down.
Where are these guys at? Do we flip spawns? Looks like we might have. Or at least a partial flip. I do have my annihilator ready, but again, I'm trying to get trying to get kills with my Titan. Let's see, any other teammates? Yeah, I got a couple of teammates going positive.
Enemy UAV above.
I believe I was dead about 3 different ways there. Oh. Another one?
Hostile UAV circling. Wire in place. Hostile UAV circling.
Oh, yep.
Establishing UAV data splice.
So trying to get some heals in. Come on. Being followed closely. Look like it. There it is. Alright.
Q stores open.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Lighting up targets.
Alright. Let's see how good my driving is. Probably not that great.
Turn this around. Bring on the bacon.
They got him. And spawns flip. Just get back. Oh, not fast enough. But I still spawn back here. That's a bit messy.
Mission clock is running down.
It's through a wall. There we go.
Cool kill.
Did what I could. 30
Reckon I'm
and
feeling Sire's
16.
remorse.
Actually, several people wound up going positive, and it got a little bit tighter there at the end. That might be the preset class, I'm not sure. Alright, so just like normal, it took a little bit longer than expected to earn, but I did earn a couple other camos along the way. So, a couple of headshots, even though I don't need them. 4 double kills. Double kills are relatively easy to get with a LMG, mainly because you're not running out of ammo that easily. So there it is. Now, what did they call that? The Soul Eater. It's kind of funny. It popped up as like kill counter or something. They have a few issues with names of things going away and coming back and different things like that. So that's definitely a really cool camo to have. Almost like green water effects or something. Now I'm not sure how it changes colors and all of that through a match. I know with the MX9 it has quite a variety of different colors and combinations. I've seen black and red, purple and white, pink and purple, of course the blue and green. And I guess it would make more sense to show you the weapon while I'm talking about it. But different color flames and backgrounds and things as you go through a match, which is pretty cool. I actually think it's a lot more noticeable than the Mastercraft variant of the weapon. Definitely stands out a lot more. So this one is also really close. I just need all my optic and attachment kills and bloodthirsties with it. So I'm basically right there at the same place as I am with the Titan. So actually the exact same camos left and exact same challenges. So I'm going to have to grind some of those out. I will probably do another video at that point getting gold on those. I don't know, I might try to combine some together. But anyways, if there's any challenges you want to see me do, leave a comment down below. And yeah, let me know what you think. If I should keep doing challenges or give tips and tricks on any challenges or positions on maps or anything like that, or if you want to see me play Blackout or Zombies, one of the other modes. So anyways, this is Stonewall signing off, and I'll see you in another video.